I'm gonna leave my hair like this for tomorrow. I was gonna do something, but I would just Shash said just straight blow dry it, stretch it out. Shash said to just straighten it out with a blow dryer.
Yeah.
Stretch it and then that's it, leave it like this and that's that way. They can be able to do it. I'll just twist it as it is and then because I don't know. I don't know what to do with my hair. It's not long enough and it's not a short and plus it's after as well. So
I'm not gonna put long enough for you, it doesn't matter, like, we're fine. Anything with whatever length you want. The main thing you have length. It's the main thing. You have some length. One bit yeah. Some people, this is ready, but to wait, you need to come off more.
yeah, that's not ready. I already did that. Yeah, that would be.
Probably can do it tomorrow.
But it's gonna get warmed up.
Do it tomorrow. Why? You can record any time, I can do this every day.
You don't do it every day.
You can record every day. So, there's one day of the most time to leave it. So, yeah, we're talking, I just have the device on top.
I don't know. You have to watch one of these videos.
Amaru, do you record any voices? Or do you mute it? Do you mute it? So is it recording me on mommy's voice now? No? So alright. It's not recording no voice.
Then racks are warmed up.
How are you?
I'm just nervous about tomorrow, really. I'm only nervous because I'm not going with you.
What do you mean by that?
You're not coming with me.
Yeah. Yeah, it's daytime driving. That's
Yeah, but I have to just get used to going places by myself. You know, I can't go everywhere.
It's daytime driving, it was nighttime down there, it'd be a different story.
So I wouldn't be going at night.
Nah, daytime driving. If you go in there in that day and come back in that day, that's what it's all about. No nighttime driving. You drive that if you really, really have to, it's important when you want to come off the road. No nighttime driving.
Also, we're not talking about you now.
I'm just saying no nighttime driving for nobody. I want nobody to do no nighttime driving. It's not on. It's not on. In general, no nighttime driving for nobody. In general. I would go on the M1. A couple minutes longer, but go on the M1, more straightforward. But this thing when you go all the, I know when you go all the way down to when you got M25 and then M11, so you